Hello all, welcome to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to install Java on Mac, right? So let us start. First of all, write java.sun.com. It will open up the website, right? Here click Java 17 LTS. Click on that. Download the package under Mac OS, right? If you are running on a Intel Mac, then try to download the x64 version, and if you are trying to on the M1, M2 or M3 chip, then download the ARM64 DMG installer. Click on download will start, and it will soon going to download the JDK 17 like I have already downloaded previously. So just open up the folder, right? And then so let us see just this one. So now it is being downloaded. Just download and run the setup, and that's how we can install the JDK 17 on Mac. Thank you.